Hi everyone, welcome back to the Don't Say series. Today we're tackling a phrase that stops so many people in their tracks. I can't do it. It's easy to feel defeated when things get tough, but what if we could replace this phrase with something that builds our confidence instead? And don't forget to check out the other videos in this series for more ways to transform your English and mindset. Let's jump in. So, today's phrase is, I can't do it. It might feel true at the moment, but saying this limits you and stops you from even trying. Let's turn it around with some empowering alternatives. Instead of saying, I can't do it, try these. I'm finding this challenging, but I'll keep at it. Or, I haven't mastered it yet, but I'm making progress.
I'm puked yet, and I'm making major progress on Mare's wedding.
You could also say, I'll figure it out, one step at a time. Or, this is tough, but I know I'll get better with practice.
I'll get even better with more practicing.
See how these phrases help you stay focused and determined? They shift your mindset from giving up to embracing the challenge as a chance to grow. These phrases are great for any situation. Whether you're learning something new, working on a project, or just dealing with life's obstacles, they remind you that every effort matters. If you enjoyed this tip, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And don't miss the other videos in our Don't Say series for more ways to level up your English and communication skills. Until next time, don't just say, I can't do it. Remind yourself you're on your way. See you soon.